Look! My fish can splash.
Fish starts with F.
That's right. F is the letter of the day. Let's find more fantastic F words.
F is for fish, swimming so fast, wiggly tail as it swims right past. F is for farm, where the animals play, cows and chickens start the day.
Can you say like fish or farm?
Fantastic. Let's keep going.
F is for fun with friends today. F is for frogs who leap and play. F is the sound
Look.
we're learning through.
A frog.
Come sing the letter F with me and you. F is for fox with a bushy tail, running through the meadow on a winding trail. F is for fire truck sirens loud, helping people, it makes us proud.
Fire truck starts with F, and it goes woo, woo.
And farms have so many fun animals.
You're finding so many F words.
F is for fun with friends today. F is for frogs who leap and play. F is the sound
Look.
we're learning through.
A frog.
Come sing the letter F with me and you.
F makes the sound like fish, farm, and flowers.
Try blowing air through your teeth.
You're fantastic at this.
F is for fish and fox and frog, flowers on the farm, fire trucks on the job. Clap your hands and sing with glee. The letter F is fun as can be.
Thanks for finding all these F words with us.
See you next time for the letter G.